Japan Flight Test Mission 3 is the third flight test in a series to verify the Aegis ballistic missile defense combat system. Today's test mission will give the crew an opportunity to track and engage a medium-range ballistic target missile with an SM-3 Block 1A missile. On October 27, 2009, Japan conducted its third ballistic missile defense intercept test at sea. The test was a complete success and provides additional capability to Japan's deployed sea-based ballistic missile defense. A medium-range ballistic missile target was launched from the Pacific Missile Range facility on the island of Kauai. The target flew a nominal trajectory. The JS Myoko was positioned over about 250 nautical miles off the coast. The ship was fully manned by officers and sailors of the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force. The ship's crew used their upgraded Aegis weapon system and training to program the Spy-1 radar to perform a search designed for achieving the BMD mission objectives. The JFTM-3 is a no-notice flight test, in which only the trusted agents actually know the launch window for the target missile. The crew is totally unaware of the MRT launch. As the target rose above the horizon, the Spy-1 radar acquired the target and placed it in track. The weapon system developed a unique fire control solution, and that information was uploaded into the missile. Approximately 3 minutes after target launch, the ship's crew fired the SM-3 Block 1A. Numerous land and air-based sensors observed the missile's flyout. The destroyer's radar tracked the target throughout the flight, and the weapon system provided guidance and target information to the SM-3. After first stage burnout and separation, the second stage ignited. Then, after second stage burnout and separation, the third stage ignited, propelling the missile into space. After an interpulse delay, the second pulse of the third stage ignited, putting the missile on a predicted intercept trajectory. Roughly 30 seconds prior to intercept, the kinetic warhead was ejected from the third stage. The KW acquired the target, performed aim point selection, and maneuvered for a hit-to-kill intercept. The target image grew in the field of view. A direct hit. The kinetic energy from the impact is calculated to be in excess of 125 megajoules, the equivalent of a 10-ton truck traveling over 600 miles per hour. Numerous ground, sea, and air-based sensors observed the intercept. This test was another major milestone and reinforces Japan's position as the only other country to possess an upper-tier ballistic missile defense capability with the ability to intercept threats well above the Earth's atmosphere. In addition to Japan's acquisition of Aegis BMD and SM-3 missiles, they are working cooperatively with the Missile Defense Agency to develop and deploy the next-generation standard missile, the SM-3 Block 2A missile, which will enable even larger defended areas against more sophisticated threats. Coupled with Japan's Patriot weapon systems, Japan truly has a layered ballistic missile defense capability. Japan Aegis Ballistic Missile Defense. On target.